Just a quick video introduction to the first module of the course. The purpose of the first module is to get us to begin thinking about some principles which underlie different kinds of professional proposals, from grants to business proposals to engineering bids to all kinds of other types of proposals. There are several principles that we want to emphasize in this module. One is the notion that proposals are rhetorical. If you've studied this discipline for any period of time, you've probably heard the word rhetoric mentioned to you about, I don't know, 10 million times. And essentially, of course, what it is that, like all writing, proposal writing is governed by its purpose, its intended audience, and the context in which it is produced and read and used. Of course, there's much more to rhetoric than this, but those are the three basic principles of rhetorical writing. So we will refresh our understanding of rhetoric, or maybe in some cases for some of you acquire some understanding of rhetoric and how it pertains to proposal writing. The next thing we're going to look at in this module is a set of conventions which governs the genre or the kind of writing that proposals are across different kinds of proposals, again, from grants to business proposals and so on. And the third thing we're going to look at in this module is a set of kind of fundamental principles, some ideas for team writing and team researching, because, of course, as you know, later in the semester you'll be working a lot in teams. So the first module is full of what we call low stakes, in some cases medium stakes writing assignments, which means that these are discussion board posts, discussion forums, reading responses, in which you're not supposed to really make a formal, coherent argument or representation, but rather in which you're supposed to kind of work through the readings, think through the problems that you encountered in the readings and in your thinking about the questions of the module, and share those thoughts, share that thinking with the rest of us. So again, if you look at the assignments for this module, they're mostly low stakes, informal writings which need to be completed in order for you to actively work through the readings and through the questions of this module. The last assignment, as always in the module, will be a more formal, semi-formal synthesis and reflection assignment, in which you will be asked to make a somewhat more structured and formal argument about what you learned in this course and what questions you may have for the next module. So take a look at this page, and remember that online learning is all about interaction. Well, any kind of learning really is all about interaction, but since we cannot see each other face-to-face online, we need to interact in writing on the website. So please take those discussion post assignments very, very seriously. And also take very seriously your responsibility to respond to other people's discussion posts, which, as you know by now, is a requirement in the syllabus as well. I look forward to working with you on this module. This first module is pretty short. It's going to last 2 weeks. And from here, from the first module into the second, we'll go into more substantive, more detailed, more formal, more structured writing projects. If you have any questions, please let me know, and look forward to working with you. Bye-bye.